How do professionals dry carpets after cleaning? Do you think cleaning your carpets is the only hurdle you face? You are wrong. Drying up the carpets is another hurdle that is no less difficult. This is where professional carpet cleaners make a difference. They will take the following steps to clean up their carpets. Step 1. They will clean the carpets before drying it. Step 2. They will use wet or dry vacuum to absorb the water. Step 3. In case the weather is moist, they will use fans to dry them. Step 4. They will use dehumidifier for removing remaining moisture. Step 5. Inspect the carpet for signs of any mold and mildew. So you see, it's an intricate issue and only the best Melbourne carpet cleaning experts can dry up the carpets perfectly. Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is the most competent name to turn to. We are not only the best Melbourne carpet steam cleaners but we are the best in drying them post-cleaning. Call us at 038583 9100 or write to us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.